Oh my gosh. Hi everyone, I'm Mindset Coach Lottie Ann Silvas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, listen to my videos, leave your comments and likes, and as you click that subscribe button, you will see that notification bell in the corner of the right top corner of your laptop or whatever you're looking at, your phone. You're going to get the latest videos that I post. I do post videos every day, and I'm so excited today because I want to share with you my review with the Genie Script program. This is Wesley Virgin's newest mind hacks, the newest mindset program that will actually totally change your life. I just went through this course a few hours ago, and it took me almost the whole night. I actually dedicated myself to go through all the modules, all the audios, and do all my homework. And just going through it this one time, actually, I have learned a lot. I've taken lots of notes. I actually was so impressed how it was laid out, so detailed. I'm so excited about this program because I know I'm seeing already results on day one. And I can see if I do this every day for 30 days, my brain is going to be so transformed by these new mind hacks that he has put together. And I'm going to see much more results in my life. I mean, he's already changed my life with the Overnight Millionaire course. But this course actually is a bomb. It's amazing. It's more easy to understand, and it's more detailed because he deals with you as an individual, how to meditate, how to do it correctly, and he actually takes you by step about your intentions. What do you want? And everything is so laid out. I'm so amazed by this program. You need to check it out, and it's only $47. No other mentor would actually allow this price, at this low price, for you to get it. This is more powerful than $47. It's more worth than $47. It's worth more than thousands of dollars. I mean, other mentors would actually, you would have to pay a higher price from getting this product. And Wesley is the best mentor in the whole wide world. He has a heart. He has a kind heart. He believes everyone needs to totally get this. He wants everyone to be successful. He has that kind of a heart. He don't want to have anyone be broke. He wants everyone to excel in life and to be successful. And that's what he does. He turns people's lives around. He makes them millionaires. And I'm so grateful. I am a millionaire. I'm part of his life. I'm his student, and I'm excelling. And this course has actually enhanced me to do much more better, take more action, be more boldly, and to get out of my comfort zone even more and more. And you're going to see me actually in 30 days. I'm going to do another review of this video of this course. I actually want to make a video again of the results in 30 days and see where you will see me at that time, and you'll get a review from me. I should be manifesting things in my life, and I am so thankful for this course. Thank you so much, Wesley.